Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I might be all over the place, but at least get one or two things. My name is Lola. I'll be talking about how to be successful in overcoming the challenges of business. I don't want to make this video too long, but I had some notes in my in my phone, so I might be going back and forth. Okay. The first thing is fear. 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 Fear of the unknown. Fear of what will people say? Fear of how do I do it? Fear of will I be successful? Fear of what do I do? Where do I start from? If you want to be successful I'm talking about the hair industry, because yes, it is saturated. We have a lot of people that have started the business, but they end up closing up. They end up shutting off, just abandoning what they've started, because they cannot cope with the stress. They cannot overcome the challenges they face, and also they cannot see a way forward in it. So getting to see this video, I hope you will be blessed. You will get 1 or 2 points from what I'm about to say. You need to overcome that fear. Do not let the fear of the unknown stop you from starting your business. Do not let the fear, yes, even that was my situation. Like, I was scared, where will I start from? And especially people like someone like me that come from a different part of the world, trying to make it, it's very, very challenging. And especially communication, getting the right audience to accept who you are, where you come from. It is a big fear, and I was able to overcome it by starting. Okay, another fear is a financial situation. If you want to start a business, yes, you need to start from scratch. However, you need capital. No matter how small it is, even if it is $100, that is something. You might be thinking $100 will not help me. It will help you a lot. I'm not saying $100 is the basic amount, but I'm just using that as an example. $100 will do a lot. It is better than zero. $100 will do a lot in hair business. So start from somewhere. If it is doing a business card, flyers, there's a lot of DIY flyers you can do on your computer, and just print it out from the printer, or you take it to Office Depot. Yes, Office Depot and other office supplier store, or all those supplier store like the Office Depot, Amazon, sorry, not Amazon, Vistaprint. Yes, Vistaprint. You can start somewhere, even if it is 50 copies of your flyers, even if it is 10 copies, you are starting from somewhere. You have overcome one of your challenges in starting your business. And most importantly, this is very, very, very crucial, very, very important. You have to have knowledge. Don't just leap, don't jump, don't just wake up and say, I want to do this because I see so and so on the internet doing it. Because you've seen someone doing it doesn't mean they did not have the knowledge or power to start whatever they are getting success in it. They found knowledge. They found no one is going to give you like this. No one is going to come and spoon feed you with knowledge. You have to search for it. Sit down, do a lot of research. It comes with sleepless nights. You are going to sacrifice 1 or 2 things if you want to be successful. If you want to be successful, you're going to sacrifice a lot of things to be successful. And it is not just a day. It is not just in a month. it is not just in weeks, it takes time. Even now, I'm still learning. Knowledge never stops. But with knowledge, you can start from somewhere. You can start from something to, you can start from nothing to something. With knowledge, you start from nothing to something. Yes, if you have the knowledge, yes, you are going to make mistakes. We all make mistakes. The most successful business person on this earth make mistakes. However, do not allow your mistakes to stop you. When you fall, you get up. If you fall and you lie down there, no one is going to come and pick you up. Nobody. But when you stop, dust yourself up, dust it off, then stand up. That is what is called success. You are going to fail. I'm not cursing you. That is just reality. You are going to fail. You are going to do a lot of mistakes. However, do not let that mistake stop you. Do not let that mistake let you go back to your zero. Yes, there are some times you just have to take a break, digest all your mistakes, and start up. That is going to help you. So these are some of the things that I think helped me. Well, when I was starting my hair business, I had nothing. No, I don't have enough money, enough things to get some things. And I got this. Look, this is just plain poly mailers. You can do it. Your clients will understand. Yes, they are going to throw this out eventually. So, but it is good to get brands. But if you don't have that much now, you can just get something from over internet. I got this from one of these Chinese websites. I can't remember. That was then. I got this. It was like plain. I shipped my hair bundles in these poly mailers, and none of my clients complained until I stepped up into getting things done. And just look at this. This is plain tags. You can design it, but I just chose to go with a plain, and all I have here is the length of the hair, the texture, my Instagram account, my number, my Facebook account, my email, and also my website. Yes, well, I did not have a website at first. I started from advertising on Instagram just to create awareness. Those people around me, my friends, my family, they helped me, like they patronized me. But I tried to invest in a website, and I'm going to put the link in the comment section. That was when I got my website. It is very important to get a website, but if you don't have a website, do not get discouraged. Do not get discouraged. You can start from somewhere. Then the money you make from those people that patronize it, reinvest it in your business. Then you grow from there. When you try to make sales, do not spend the money on unnecessary things. Try to reinvest in your business. When you reinvest in your business, that will help and go a long way. If you, for example, you make a sale, you sell a wig, reinvest the amount, like the price of that wig. Once you get the money in your account, reinvest in your business. That is how you become successful. The Jeff Bezos, one of the most richest man in the world today, did not become successful in a day. It starts from a gradual, like there's a saying, a drop of water makes an ocean. Yes, You cannot just, by the time you keep on doing it bit by bit, you're going to accomplish what your goals are. You're going to accomplish what your aim is. Okay, yeah. So I talk about the tags. You can get it at cheaper rate. I see the poly mailers. Also, it is good to buy a tagging gun. I got this from Hobby Lobby. This is just I think it's $10 or so. You don't have to spend that much. This is $10. This is a tagging gun. You just tag your bundles, your wigs. I also have some wraps, like bundle wrap here, that you just tag. No, you put it around your bundles, at least to show that this is the quality. This is your name on your hair. However, you do not give, because you don't have money, do not start with quantity. You have to provide quality hair to people, quality product. I'm just talking about hair because that is what I'm doing now, but there's always room for growth. There's always room for growth. And I always tell people, do not underestimate the power of prayer. If you believe in God, pray to God. I believe in God, so I pray to the God I worship. It is very important to pray, because that will also give you peace of mind. What other thing? Okay, so if you have a question, you put it in the comment section. I'll appreciate it. If you have any topic you want me to talk about, if you have a question you want me to answer, you are more than welcome to comment. Click the like button and subscribe. Thank you so much. Oh, lest I forget, you can follow me on Instagram, Hair by Anything, and I have a website, hairbyanything.com. I'm going to put it in the description button. So if you have any question, please comment. You are welcome. The sky is wide enough. It is big enough for everybody to make it. If you have any question to help your business, your hair business, you are free to ask me. I'll be more than willing to give you tips on how to do, tips that help me, and I hope it's going to help you too. I'm not here to compete with anyone. I'm here to put food on my table, to feed my kids, to be a wife, to be a mom in the society. I'm not competing with anyone. All I'm doing is just try to be a person in the society, try to be a good mom in the society. I'm trying to put food on my table. I'm not competing. So I hope this will help you. You are welcome to ask any question. All right, thank you so much for listening to my to what I'm saying, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye bye.